Hi, third graders. Today we are going to do some review on two capital letters. I know most of you probably already know how to do the capital letter A, but I want to make sure that we do a review to show you exactly what it should look like when you write a capital letter A for cursive words. So let's go ahead and get started. So we know that the bottom line, midline, and top line can help us guide how tall our letters are supposed to be. For the capital letter A, you want to start at the very top and curve down and up like that. Just like a lowercase a, but you gotta make sure it goes all the way up to the top so that they know it's a capital letter. So if I were to write apple, it would look like this. So we know that we have to use the very top. And then this is a capital cursive letter that ends right here that will attach to the next letter. So just like I did here, I attached my capital A to the two next letters to make my word apple. And then to show you how it looks a little bit bigger, just like this. And there's the slightest bit curve right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and review our second letter in cursive. So what we're going to do today is review the letter O. Now remember, we're going to come all the way down and back up, down, and out. Now remember the lowercase o, the top is at the midline. Okay? So let's go ahead and practice it in our lines. And you can choose to practice along with me or on a separate sheet of paper. So we're coming up to the top, down and out. Just like this. Kind of is like a man with a little bit of a curl of a hair. And this one doesn't continue to the next letter because it doesn't end on the baseline. But if we were to do a lowercase letter, it would connect to the next one. So there's a famous Shakespeare play called Othello. If I were to write it, I would write it like this. And then if I were to write lowercase, I would connect it. Here's the word opal. That's a jewel stone or a gemstone, sorry. So do you see how you don't connect the capital letter, but you do connect the lowercase? So capital ends at the top, lowercase ends at the midline. So then if we come over here, let's think of a word. Oh, let me write octopus. I'm going to come up to the top because remember it's going to be the capital. Here's the capital letter, then the lowercase right here. I think we can handle one more letter, and that's the letter that I want you guys to practice, which is the capital letter E. It's a backwards 3. So for the E, all you're going to do is make 2 humps like this, starting at the top, curving to the midline, coming down and out. Down and out, down and out. Now remember, the lowercase looks like this. So if I were to write the word Elizabeth, I would write it just like this. Okay? So this one's really easy. It's just a backwards 3. And this one does connect to the next letter because it ends down at the right place for the baseline. I know you guys are so smart and working so hard, and I'm proud of you. Keep up the good work, and I will see you guys soon.